When can I buy health insurance? For a good reason, you may be required to buy health insurance and wait until open enrollment to purchase a new health plan or swap a current one. Because this prevents people from enrolling in health insurance just when they are sick or injured, it keeps the cost of health insurance down for everyone. After your basement floods, you can't wait to get homeowners insurance. The same goes for health insurance. You may have to wait until the following enrollment season if you miss the enrollment by date. If you have any inquiries about when you can apply for health insurance, please contact us and we will gladly assist you. Get the health insurance coverage you deserve, guaranteed to offer lowest pricing with maximum benefits and coverage. Receive a quote on the phone in just a few minutes by calling our enrollment helpline at 1-800-562-2931. A caring health coverage specialist is awaiting your call.